Hello, friends. Welcome you all to Green Wallet and Citizen Justice Forum video channel. Our mission is to empower citizens of India socially, legally, and financially. We have a mission that we want to empower 1 lakh family in India in all ways, means they should be empowered socially, legally, and financially. Now it's very difficult to survive with the means of income which we have. So we have to look for an opportunity where we can make money, where we can generate a second income to sustain our lifestyle. And what I have noticed that it is the stock market. To give you an example, today I have made a 2000 rupees in just 20 minutes of my trade. I had punched my order. When it came into my level, it got automatically executed, bought around 700 Hdfclife share, and there was a stop loss and there was a target. It hit the target and I made around 2000 rupees. So I'll show you how I took that decision and how it was made, right? Now, before we go any further, there is a ritual that you have to read this disclaimer and then we proceed, because if you want to take any decision, you have to take an advice from a SEBI registered advisor. I am here to just give you my viewpoint looking at the chart patterns, right? Looking at the charts, I can give an idea from where there is going to be a turning point. Rest, if you want to go for a long term investment or for a long term portfolio, you have to go to the SEBI registered advisor. Here you will get a turning point. Suppose if it says that buy this share, okay, that share is good. But is it good to buy at that price? Only the chart will tell us that it has gone very far away from, and when it comes back, when it retraces, you have a level identified. Yes, at this level, I can buy the shares which the SEBI registered advisor has given me the advice. Now, I hope everybody has paused the video and read the disclaimer. So I am closing the disclaimer and we will move to what you call is the international market, that is Dow Jones or US 500, right? So here we are. Now the Dow Jones today, it there was a green candle yesterday, but today it opened a gap down and then again it's trying to go to the closing point of yesterday's. But if you notice that during the last 1 week, the price is moving around at the same level, right? 2 days it goes up, 2 days it comes down, again 2 days. So it is in the same this thing. So the market is in an indecisive. There is no direction right now. If I plot for your understanding, a moving average, just to get an idea that what does the moving average says, whether it is showing me any indication where the direction is. So I know that you're watching from, okay, now I just need to highlight the style. So I go to the thickness so that you can all see if you're looking at the mobile also, and if you are looking on a laptop, but you are able to see or from the iPad. So this is what the moving average is giving me in direction. See here, it was going up, going up, going up. Then the prices came below the moving average, it went down. And now the moving average, see, there are two peaks. One, the mountain is over here, and another, the mountain is over here. So the moving average is giving me an indication of the 21-day period moving average that there is likely of market becoming weak and going down. So I have to be cautious. Now we go to the our Indian market. So this is the Nifty. So in the Nifty, what is it opened, gapped up, it opened at this level, then it went down. This is the below peak, then again it closed down. So, but it is a positive closing, even though candle is red. But if you see, if you notice something very strange, that for last almost 3 weeks, the price is moving in this level only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So almost 3 weeks, the price is moving in this level. And here, if it reaches, because of the geopolitical and Palestine-Israel conflict, if it reaches here also, we will see a tremendous sell out there. So it is going to come down. So it's better that we wait for the level which is at a reasonable level, that is my 18,731 level. If the market comes down, I can be a buyer, and you can see one, two, three, four candles with a gap up opening, very strong bullish move. So I can make my entry over here and I can book a profit, right? This is called a short term. Now, how I made a money. This is, you can see, so there is an OTP. So this is the Nifty chart. Now, I just want to show you how I made this money here, right? So I go to the orders and I say all, and this is my OTP here. I unlocked it. Okay. Now, I put an order right from the beginning. So the script name is HDFC Life, where I made a money. So HDFC Life. I click here, and here it was. Now, how I made this decision, I'll tell you. I went to the market watch, I went to the Nifty, and then in the Nifty, I clicked here. So, which the Tata Motors, L&T, they were down in the morning. And then I went to Nifty Life, HDFC Life. The reason is it was going up in the morning, a very bullish candle, and there is a DA, means daily movement of the HDFC Life is of 11 rupees. So, and I got a very strong bullish candle, and yesterday also there was a hammer, right? Then I went to 15 minutes chart. I selected this 90, but I was not getting a good level. So I wanted to enter somewhere here. right? So I went to 5 minutes chart, and in 5 minutes chart, I made an entry over here, right? So this was my entry point. The price when it came here, right? When I marked my entry point, the price was somewhere here. Then when it came down, it touched here. My stop loss was below this, and my target was above this. So as per my risk reward ratio, it bought somewhere around 700 shares, I'll tell you. 606 shares. So with it is an automated thing that my risk per trade will be 1000 rupees, right? And then if I'm entering a big plus trade, so my margin required was 77,392 rupees. So once it came into the market, I was busy doing my work. The order got executed, and then there was a stop loss over here, but it did not went down further, and then it went up here, and I made a profit of 2047 rupees. So this is, if you have an what you call system in place with your entry point, stop loss, and target, then you can make money in this market. If you don't have a system to follow, you will lose money like anything. So this is what it is. Now we will see about other scripts. I am fond of small cap. This is mid cap. I will go to the small cap. Yes, this is small cap. Because in small cap, there is chances of getting very fast, because it is a small cap. So many large companies are not interested, but mutual funds are interested, because if they are the blue chips in the making, then you can make a lot of money. Suzlon, there is a lot of movement, but somehow I avoid Suzlon. But we can go for MRPL. See, change is 8.4%. So I just don't want. So what I will do is I just want to show you what is the daily ATR of this script. Okay, anyways, it is not here, but I will show you on the chart daily ATR. Yeah. So now what does the daily ATR says here? The daily ATR says that the script can move up to 11 rupees in a day. So what I will do is I will go to the MRPL, right? I will click here. So this is where is MRPL? MRPL. So I'm clicking here. So I'm getting the MRPL. Now I'll make the chart go full. So first I will go for the daily chart. Daily chart, it is giving me a strong bullish candle. And I already had placed an order, but it has never come to this level. So if I want to trade intraday, weekly, yes, weekly it is coming into a zone from this level. It has come down, it has touched, and it is reacted. And now if I see monthly also the price can react from this level. So still there is a chance of still going up. This is 112, and it can still go another 12 rupees up. So now if I want to trade in this trade, a quick trade, I will go to the 15-minute charts last 30 days and I will look for an entry point. So my entry point somewhere in this script should be over here, right? And I should enter at this level. My stop loss should be somewhere below this, and my target should be this level. So I'm not getting a good risk reward ratio, so I can still look further on a 5-minute chart, to fine tune so that my loss are minimum. No, I don't think so. We should skip this trade. Now let's look at something Excite Industries, because this is going to be the future. So first let me go to the daily chart. Let me see the trend on daily chart. Yes, daily chart, it is started going up. Now let me go to the weekly chart. Weekly also, it is sideways to up. Monthly also, it is almost at the level where it had a very big fall. So we wait for this creep, on a daily chart to come at this level. This should be my entry point, and this should be my stop loss, and this should be my target. So I'm getting almost, if I'm losing 1 rupees, but if the trade goes in my favor, I'll make 2 rupees and 43 paise. So this way, anything when you're taking a risk, the risk should be minimum and the profit should be above 2 or maximum 3. Then you can trade in this script. Till then, we will keep a watch on this script. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again tomorrow. Till then, take care and be safe. Thank you all.